today I'm going to show you about ProHub Dashboard. What ProHub Dashboard does, it allows you to curate engaging online presence by compelling social media campaigns with just a few clicks. It also allows you to engage in your target audience by creating captivating, customized, and email campaigns in seconds. Also, it increases lead capture and conversion by centralized communication in an AI integrated website or a chat. So basically, what ProHub is a centralized place to manage all of your online platforms as well as scheduling some of your marketing tools and be able to launch marketing products so that you have all the control in your own hand. That means we don't have to deal with any more marketing agencies, selling you on this high dollar SEO that you don't see works. You don't see what's happening. You don't understand the concept behind it. It's all smoke and mirrors. We take all that away with the ProHub dashboard. And the thing about it, it's very affordable. It's made for small businesses like yourself. One of the great things about it, let's just talk about one of the tools today. And if you look over to the left, we have Citation Builder. The Citation Builder is a form of local SEO. Inside of the Citation Builder, you have several different options to be able to manage things in your platform. Some of these things, let me just get in here real fast. And as you can see here on the Google Map 24 pack, this one in particular, this business, which is a home automation business, is ranked #1 in its industry, an area. And it shows, if you click around in the map pack, it'll show you exactly who your competitors are in this area. This is a great ranking for this company. We've done a wonderful job with it. Let's see. And I'm going to move over to the rep manager because it has a little more details in it. Inside of the rep manager, you can review all of your reviews that you've had, sent out to you. This one has the last 12 months up in the top right corner. So it's just showing some of the reviews, and it's all centralized. You don't have to go to Google My Business or Google Analytics to read your analytics and what's going on with your digital traffic. It's all right here in the ProHub dashboard. This business has, it shows us response times for reviews. It's kind of high for this business, but it still has 4 reviews responded to, and it has a 5.0 ranking. These are just some of the reviews in here. I'm not going to read through that. You can filter it out to the left side. There is an executive report that you can also click from the ProHub dashboard. That executive report kind of shows where your standings are. I'm just trying to go through a brief rundown to show you exactly what we have here. This one has 12 leads in the past 30 days. Engagement's up, impressions are up. And my favorite thing is going to be your listing sync. The listing score is very important because that is how you are ranked on the search engines. They identify this by your listing score. This means you have everything connected. There's tons of different search engines that you've never heard of, and all of this is comprehensive to make everything complete. And for this instance in here, let's see. And you can just see some of Foursquare, Yelp. Some of these that we don't even think are big, they really play a big part in search engines like Google putting you to the top ranking. But the impressive thing about this is actually our listing score. The listing score started at 82 when we started this over a year ago, and industry average is 298, and 95% around 670. We're currently at 815. This is why we are ranking in the #1 spot of Google. One of the main reasons, because we have understood that this is a very important part, especially with today's AI game on content writing. There's so many things that go into SEO. So local SEO is probably one of the best values you're going to get from this ProHub dashboard. You also are allowed to be able to, in the PM social, Procept Marketing social, you can schedule your social calendar to your different pages. You also have an advertising intelligence. I'm not sure this one is hooked up here, but the way the advertising intelligence works, it's the same thing. When you're running Google ads, you can go to one central place and see everything you've ran for the business, your analytics. So no more having to flick through a bunch of different windows. And if you're not a real big tech person and you run a business, you want to know what your digital overview looks like. This is where you want to be in the ProHub dashboard. Go ahead and click that link below and send me a message, and I can have a demo with you and kind of walk through a little more. Thank you. I'm Brad Henry, a marketing consultant with Procept Marketing.